palit ikuhan o gipay ng Belen. Pangakon ko sa butong. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. Apple. Bago na ko kuan case sa akong iPhone 16 Pro Max og screen protector kaya nadaot na. Di man covered sa insurance way ang accessory, ang only ang damage ra gyud sa phone. Mao ra gyud magpa massage ko karon. Kaya pahuway sa ko gamay ba, relax akong lawas. Kaya ito na ko pamasad. That's what you bought for me? Thank you. You're using the fork. Thank you. It's good. There's more shrimp right there.
You eat it. It's your lunch.
For warp. That's good. With shrimp. I like it.
You like
Yes,
it?
shrimp. Sit right there.
No, I'm eating the rice. I'm not eating all the shrimp.
Okay there.
It's your lunch.
More shrimp. It's good. I like it. It's like salad with lots of bean sprout, carrots. More shrimp.
Don't eat all the shrimp for your lunch tomorrow.
Okay, I'll save some for my lunch. Thank you.